back at it again with another video. But I keep trying to fix my light, y'all, and it is not working. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mayana, aka MX Money on Instagram. If you can't tell by the title of this video, I'm just gonna be doing my daily eyebrow tutorial, just like what I do on a regular basis. Sometimes they come out cute, sometimes they don't. So hopefully today, this video, it works and the shit comes out I'm not gonna do eyelashes because I could not find the eyelashes that I wanted to wear. So this is how I do my eyebrows, kind of like the everyday look. Today they actually came out pretty good. I didn't think they were gonna come out really good, but I like them. If you don't like them, I don't care. But if you do like them, thank you. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video very helpful. Once again, everything that I used in the videos will be down in the description below. But for those who are interested in more videos of mine, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in. And for those who are back at it again with me, thank you for staying tuned because you know I always got something new.